I saw. How did my wife?
Wait.
Yo, Julie. Remember me. What's up? Whoa!
I'm sure.
I know. Murder. I know who's the murderer,
Please.
but I won't tell.
Yo.
But
I'm
Julie,
scared.
it's your best friend. Julie is your best friend.
Too long, isn't it? Does no.
Looks like I have a Celeste, the mood. No, Celeste has been exposed. Celeste, just kill me. No, don't. Baffling. Oh my gosh. Is she trying to shoot me, bro? Is she trying to shoot me? Is that girl?
I'm not gonna kill you.
No, I swear, don't get near me. Do you want ice cream? Want ice cream? I just got this. What? I just saw. Want this ice cream? I just saw this ice cream. Who's that? Oh my god. Celeste's murder. I won't yell that out. I'll keep it a secret. Expose her. Okay, fine. Or yeah, if I expose her, kill me with her knife, her bloody knife. So I got high. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Was
The
that
knife, bro, the knife.
Who else is with you?
Julie, but she's alive.
Wait, what? I want to see the chat. Did Julie see everything?
Julie's with the gun.
Yeah, she gonna shoot you, boy. Okay, she might shoot me because she doesn't want to shoot her best friend. You're just gonna kill that noob.
No, I'm frozen. What?
What's that? Okay. Okay. Emotes. Whoa, Celeste. Looks like
Kill me? No, because she took the gun. She took the gun.
you're exposed now. La la la. Okay, I want to do biolab because there was a secret hiding spot I always go to. Yeah, there's like always a secret hiding spot in a map.
You gotta bring me back.
Well, some of them. I'm gonna tell you. This one. Unless I murder. Oh, murder that. I have a secret. Hi guys.
Julie and Pedro are
back.
no, me and
I'm
Julie
back.
in the secret room. We're YouTubers.
Stuck in the woof.
Pedro just yells out, "We're YouTubers."
Don't brag though. What up? Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go expose the murderer. He's the murderer right now.
Mom.
Who is murderer? Kill me.
Same. Oh my god.
You're.
Wait, this is not the secret room. Where are you guys?
We're in this like underground secret room. There's a bunch of knives.
That's where I am.
murder.
Where are you guys?
What do you mean? Like that. No, like that. No, like that. Okay, but do you know how like during the like I should break up with dinner to go with me? I was like, no, we were all laughing because it was. But like, guess what happened today after school?
What?
Trevor was walking to his dad and his sisters, and I was walking home. And then Trevor's dad apparently
Sorry
just
if you
stopped
guys
at the
have to hear
sidewalk.
this
And
drop.
I
Okay.
had to go and she said, okay.
I don't have a
Sleepy,
here.
just text me right now.
Ice
Oh,
cream.
then I know.
Ice
So we can
cream.
all play like murder mystery and
Ice-
like,
Ice
team
cream.
up against each other.
Hello, Julie.
I'm not.
I'm gonna murder you
not
now.
Each other, but like
Julie.
Janella's the killer?
No, I'm not. I'm actually not. I
No,
don't
she
have.
just has the ice cream.
I'm just holding.
You're
You want
too
some?
loud, Janella. You're too loud.
You want some? You want? You want my ice cream?
I think I'm close to.
Want my ice cream?
Uh-oh.
Oh, she's a unicorn.
Oh, wait. Who was the murder?
A
Who?
unicorn lady with a magic wing and horn, and
Oh, I think I know that.
she's
Oh,
one.
this new bitch trapped me, bro.
Like, and the bride.
Oh no!
Bye.
I got killed.
No.
Julie, you got killed. Corn girl. I got killed. Sad for me.
Julie, run!
This is so
Oh, wait,
bad.
You're dead.
I'm so embarrassed. I'm gonna cry on the video.
Oh God, but Sub to my channel. It's Julie. It is Julie. Has no channel. What? Julie, what the heck?
Julie, why are you saying this? Ah, you pushed me.
Whoa.
Hey, let me get.
Julie, do your head on. Oh my.
Let me up.
Someone freaking laughed like a freaking she freaking laughed like a freaking white girl going to Starbucks.
Hey, you pushing me, Julie.
Up because you're up.
Julie, stop moving.
Oh,
Yes.
shut up! I post everything. I don't. Oh my God, there's a guy in
Bye,
here.
Julie.
Mommy. No. I can't be stuck. I don't want to be stuck in here with this guy. No. No.
Bye, people. I'm gonna end the vid.
Okay. Bye. Talk to you tomorrow.